everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we are making blistered shishito peppers. Blistered shishito peppers is an outstanding appetizer, something you can make as part of your next tapas platter. They're not very hot at all, actually they're very mild, most of them are. But they're super tasty and really easy to make, and I just love them. So let me show you how to make it. All right, let's blister up some shishito peppers. First thing you want to do, you want to get a good cast iron pan to a nice medium-high heat, maybe high heat, because you need good heat to get them nice and blistered. Gonna heat some olive oil in the pan here. I like to get it nicely coated. Make sure I have enough oil to get all these beautiful peppers. And here we go, peppers in the pan. Ooh, listen to that. Sizzle it up, sizzle. Oh baby. So let them sizzle up and get nice and blistered up. Good contact with the pan, and it's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes or so per side. And you'll notice, you'll see them get nicely charred up and blackened and blistered, and it's really delicious. Okay, well I got these sizzling. The really interesting thing about shishito peppers is every now and then you'll get one of them is pretty hot. Shishitos, they actually range from like 0 Scoville heat units, just no heat, to about 200 Scovilles. That's actually not very hot for chili heads, but for some people, it's like a little game of Russian roulette where you don't know if you're going to get one with a little bit of heat to it. So you pop it in and woo, a little thrill ride. Again, it's not very hot. I would say that's roughly about as hot, a tenth as hot as a mild jalapeno, so like 1/10 of a weak jalapeno. But hey, it's still got a little bit of heat to it for those who aren't quite ready for it. All right, let me get these babies flipped, and yeah, you can see all the blistering and blackening of the skins. Oh, absolutely delicious. Whoa, these guys are really popping. So I like to serve mine with a really simple lime cream sauce. It's really easy to make. To make the lime cream sauce, we have a 1/4 cup of Mexican crema, or you can use sour cream. It's delicious. I've got some lime juice. Use about a teaspoon or so, maybe a little bit more, depending on how limey you want it to be. Just kind of squeeze it in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Fresh lime. And really just a pinch of salt. You don't need a lot. A little bit of salt. And mix it up. Here we got our lime cream sauce. Just gotta make sure it's nicely incorporated. And seriously, easy. You could add some chili flake or something if you want. Perfect. All right, serve them up. Okay, look at that. Oh baby, look at that guys, what do you think? That's it. That's how you blister shishito peppers. I just turned the pan off. Everything's nice and hot. You can see the nice charring, the blistering of the skins. They are almost ready to eat. So the most important step now at the end is you just want to finish it off with some flaky sea salt. I've got myself about a tablespoon or so here. Nice flaky or just a good coarse sea salt works great. Just the combo, it'll add a little bit of extra flavor. And some fresh lime juice right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just squeeze on some fresh lime. Look at that. The pan is still hot. Oh baby. Yes. Fresh lime is outstanding. Okay, so that's it. Right here, blistered shishitos. I've got my lime cream dipping sauce. Very delicious. So let me see if I get ready here. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. All right. Give it a taste. Give it a taste. All right. Ooh, baby. Oh, it's still steaming, guys. Outstanding. These are so good. Perfect little, perfect little appetizer. Bite-sized portions. I just took a half of one. You can eat the whole thing. It's just so outstanding. I really love this kind of stuff. Great for a tapas platter. So many applications for this. I think you will love it. So that's it. It's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I hope you enjoy your blistered shishitos. Alas, that was not a hot one. I got a mild one. Still very tasty. So if you make this, let me know how you like it. Send photos. Send some comments. Send me a video. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.